And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let us talk about case sensitivity, because by default it makes a difference how something is spelled. So for example, here we have ReGex with a capital R and a capital G. Can't find it at position 35, but if I make the G a lower cap, can't find it anymore. So we get -1, it's not in there. And usually you write these regex with a slash right here, and then you search for it, so it still can't find it. And if I make it a capital G, it can find it. So this is usually a way to write it and not using quotation marks. Then we make that all lower cap, we can't find it, but if we add now an I after our last slash, it can find it again. This is what's called a flag, in a specific case an I flag. And when you add that, it doesn't matter how you spell it, it's going to ignore the case, so it basically turns off the case sensitivity. Let me use IS here, it can find it in index 2, and without the I flag, it can't find it anymore. It's one of the most used flags in regular expressions, and I think it's pretty easy to understand. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.